Hello ladies, today we're going to learn the number one move every girl should know on the dance floor. This move is for you to feel sexy, perfect for beginners, and we have at least 5 variations. It works on any music, in any party, club, wedding, wherever you are. It works on any music, but we'll put reggaeton. So we go down, and then we go up with one hip. Up, down, relax, up. Down and up. This is how you connect to the movement upwards. You go down and then up. Down and up. With the music. Down, up, down, up, down, up. This is the easiest variation. Faster. Boom, boom. Now another variation, very common, is to do a U shape. Same idea, just going side to side, together, slow. So we go down, we go U shape and then up. Other side, down and boom. Down and boom. Down, boom, down, boom. Faster, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, and 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. So far we have 1, 3, 5, 7. First variation. Second, we have the U shape. 1, 3, 5 and 7, 1, 3. It's a U shape, okay, like that. And we change the weight from the right to the left. Boom, boom, boom. Without changing the weight, just in place, bend the knees a little bit. Bam, bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It might be harder because it requires more isolation, more control. Now when we have that, is this variation number 3? Yeah, I think number 3. Now we can change the weight. Boom, boom, just sliding, boom. Change the weight, boom. Change the weight, boom. And 1, 3, 5, 7, and 1, 3, 5, 7. Of course, you can go sideways a little bit, but keep it simple. So up and up and up and up. Doing good. This is, I think, variation number 4. Variation number 5, we're gonna do single, single, double, single, single, double. Notice I'm not changing the weight. Change the weight, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. You can go even down and up and double. So you can do with a U and double. U and boom, boom. Of course, we can also play with the speeds. It can be faster or slower. Let's try it faster. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. But of course, this is more challenging. So give yourself the time. 6th variation. We can do double and double. What's a double? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 3 and 4. By the way, this move is so good for the girls because I don't move much. So if you have heels, you can still feel very stable. Double and double. And on top of everything, we can add some movement. So you can just rotate with it. I'll show you how to do it. So first let's do just singles with changing the weight. Single, 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 single. Notice I'm actually stepping. I'm stepping, hip up, and then I have a free leg over here so I can start walking. Together, step, boom, boom, boom. Now when I'm stepping, I can actually walk and I can start rotate. Rotate, 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 boom. Take your time. Same concept, we can do single, single, double. When we do double, we kind of stop. Let's do it together. Let's go now. Single, single, we stop. Double, double. Single, single, we stop. Double, double. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. Another idea, we can just walk and then just do the double. Let's see how it works. So we just step, step, step. Now the double, double, double. Step, step, double, double. Step, step, double, double. Or even we can do just doubles. Let's try it. So every step we do two. It's a double. Ready? Let's go. Double, 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 double. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Let's recap what we had. Let's go one by one. First one, easiest one. You go down and up. Stay in the same place. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Stay in the same position. Now changing the weight. Change, 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 change. Let's go down with the U shape. Ready? Now, boom, 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 boom. Let's do single, 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 single. Let's do single, single, double, double, right, left, right, right. Doubles, double, 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 slower, double, palm, palm, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. Now start moving with it. So I'm stepping and up, step and up. Boom, boom. Once I'm comfortable stepping, I can rotate. Just a single, 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 single. Let's do single and double. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. Single, double. Just doubles. Double, double. Yeah. Can be slower. Double, double. Yeah, double. Good. If you're sweating, it's also a good workout. Burning some calories. Yeah. And lastly, what you do with the hands. You want to relax the hands, keep them over here. Most of the work is with the hips, so the hands can be relaxed. The higher you get them, you know, it's a bit getting more attention in the club. Maybe you wanna keep it a bit low, so you keep it here, just close to you. I have a full tutorial just doing the hip lifts. You can check it out. I actually have a full playlist. You can also check it out, all the different movements with the hips, but I will go and practice with this video again and again and again. Repetition is the mother of skill. Build your confidence, go to the club, try it at home, different music, keep practicing. See you in the next video.